Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wrike forms to automate intake requests step by step clearly. To connect Wrike forms to automate intake requests, first, log into your Wrike account. Navigate to the project or folder where you want to create the intake form. Click on the Forms tab located at the top of the project or folder view. Select Create Form to start a new form. Give your form a descriptive title that reflects the purpose of the intake. Begin adding fields to your form by dragging and dropping them from the sidebar. Include essential fields like name, email, and request details. Use text fields for open-ended responses and drop-downs for predefined options. Customize the field settings to mark required fields as necessary. Arrange the fields in a logical order that guides the user through the form. Once you have completed the form setup, review all fields for accuracy. Click on the Settings tab to configure notifications for form submissions. Set up who will receive notifications when a form is filled out. Decide if you want to assign tasks automatically based on the submitted form data. Test the form by submitting a sample request to check for functionality. Check your inbox or Wrike notifications to confirm receipt of the submitted form. If everything works correctly, share your form link with your team or stakeholders. Monitor the intake process and make adjustments to your form as needed. Repeat this process whenever you need to create a new automated intake request. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.